I am Saraj Punishedwai and I am pursuing electrical engineering from JHRC Nagpur. I am honored to present our latest project, the Electrical Vehicle Prototype 201, which represents a significant step forward in sustainable transportation technology. It has been both a challenging and a privilege to lead this endeavor, and I am excited to share our progress with you today. Using a single cell, two neodymium magnets, a copper coil, and two pins. This motor operates based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Set up three copper coils are strategically positioned 120 degrees apart, complemented by a single bearing and two neodymium magnets. Additionally, the system incorporates three push buttons. This configurations from a brushless DC BLDC motor where each button corresponds to magnetizing one of the coils to attract the magnet. As per Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, this motor operates in a continuous cycle. Using three MOSFETs and an Arduino board, this setup automates coil operation. The MOSFETs acting as automated push buttons, receiving signals from the Arduino, powering the three coils. This clip demonstrates the transitions from manual to fully automated operation. Through Arduino programming, MOSFETs activation is controlled, ensuring precise coil operation. The programmed logic guarantees coordinated functionality, enhancing system efficiency and reliability. In this configuration, three relays replace the MOSFET, serving as switch buttons controlled by the Arduino. Signals from the Arduino activate the relays, energizing the coils and initiating motor rotation. This adjustment highlights the adoption of relay-based coil activation. In this setup, signals are transmitted from the BMS Arduino to the motor Arduino. When a signal of 1 is embedded, the LED above the motor controller Arduino illuminates, and when a signal of 0 is embedded, the LED turns off. This LED serves as a reference point for communication between the two Arduinos. This is how motor of my EV prototype works. Thank you guys.